Hi everyone, this is Rachel with Switch to Local, and today we're going to talk about how to set up your loyalty program. So once you're logged into your desktop account, on the left hand side, click on Loyalty. Automatically, you'll be defaulted into the basic settings view, and this is where you're going to set up kind of the bones of your loyalty program. So first, you want to create a name for your loyalty program. So for example, we just have Switch to Local right here. You can change your loyalty program as much as you want, as far, whatever you want to name it, not a problem. The next part is your keyword that your customers will need to text to your dedicated number in order to enroll. This is just one way to enroll in the loyalty program. We'll cover some other ways in some other videos, but for now, you want to come up with a unique keyword. This keyword should not be used on any coupon or promotion. It has to only be for the loyalty program. So to keep it simple, we just use the word enroll. Now, if you want to give your customers a bonus for signing up and encourage them to be a part of your rewards and loyalty program, we would suggest giving them a sign-up reward bonus. You don't have to do this. You can leave it 0. You can give them as many points as you want. It's totally up to you. So for this example, for any new customer that signs up with us on our loyalty program, we give them 25 points as a sign-up reward. The next part is really important, as this will apply to your rewards that you give your customers. So for every amount spent, you're going to give them a specific amount of points. So for this example, we have for every $1 spent, the customer will get 1 point. So this part, you might not want to change this. You want to make sure that you have this set in stone, because this, again, affects all your rewards unless you're advertising it to your customers. But the ones that have already started participating, you want to think about that too. So that part is really important. Then the next part is the automatic reply. So when a customer texts the word enroll to your dedicated number, this is a message that's going to fire back to them as a text message. So customize it however you want. You can put a link to your website, or you can do whatever you want to do here. Just remember to try to keep it short and sweet, as this is coming over as a text message, so you don't want to write a book on their phone. So for this example, we just have congratulations, you're now signed up for our loyalty program. You'll notice that we occasionally use this kind of symbol looking thing with words in between. Depending on where it's used, it does different things. So for example, on this one, it says loyalty program. What it's going to do is it's going to autofill the name of your loyalty program for you in that text message. It's just kind of a short way so you don't have to retype everything, but you do not have to use that. You can type your loyalty program name if you want. This part where it says you just earned points is going to pull from the points system that you set up here. So if you give them a sign-up reward, it's going to tell them, oh, you just earned 25 points. So again, it's doing that autofill thing just like the name of the loyalty program. When you're done creating your loyalty program, just simply click on Save. And it will update you at the bottom right. It'll say updated. So once you've done that, you have now a loyalty program created. But we're not done. The next step is to create rewards for your loyalty program. So if you notice on the left-hand side, there's a menu option for rewards for points. When you click on that, it's going to give you the option to add a new reward. This is where you can do all kinds of fun stuff for your customers. Let's go back to basic settings. So let's say you have for every $1 spent, they get a point. So now let's go back to points. So let's say you want to give them a free ice cream cone. So I've typed in free ice cream cone as the reward name. And then this determines how many points a customer will need in order to get that reward. So remember on the previous screen, I said for every $1 spent, they get 1 point. So let's make this 50 points. So they have to spend $50 in our store in order to qualify for that reward. And then you can also add an expiration date. This is optional. If you decide you don't want that in there, just click on the X and that will remove the expiration date. This section is the rewards notification text message. So once a customer gets 50 points, it will automatically send them a reward message if you want it to. So make sure if you want it to automatically go that you check this box. If you'd rather tell them when they come back to the store that they've now qualified for something, then I would uncheck that and leave it so that when they visit the store again, you can let them know. However, this is a great way to get your customers back in the store and spending more money, so make sure that you automatically notify them, and that will bring in the business without having to do anything. So again, the reward notification text message section is completely customizable. So this, again, here we have the little, hashtags with the text in front of it. So it's going to fill in the reward name that you have here. And then if there is an expiration date, it will automatically populate the expiration date. So that could create a sense of urgency where you might want to do that. And then again, you can add, maybe a link to your menu or, all kinds of stuff. So again, just remember to keep it short and sweet. It does go out as a text message. So once you're done creating your reward, just click on save. And this one, it notified me I don't have an expiration date. So when you're done, just click on save. Okay. And then this will default back to your basic settings. If you want to go back to look at your rewards, click on rewards, and now you'll see your existing reward program here. You can edit it or delete it. You can also add a new reward, so you can have more than one reward for each customer. The next step to the loyalty program is the advanced settings. This is where you can add in extra segmentations, which is a good way to break up your customer list so that you can target specific customers for specific promotions at a later time. So for example, if you want to auto detect the gender of your customer based on the name, just check that box and our system will automatically do that for you. You can also try to collect your customer's birth date, so just check that box, and as you check it, it will include it on the loyalty program. One of the more powerful things is to ask your customers a question. So if you're an ice cream shop, you can ask what their favorite flavor is. If you have multiple locations, you can ask, or you can just simply select in here for the customer, what location do you visit the most? So if you're in Rockland or Roseville, Citrus Heights or Folsom, that way and can target specific promotions to those locations. So this is, as you can see, a very powerful tool, and you can customize this however you want. Again, try to keep your question and your answers as short and to the point as possible so that it's easy to read, because this will be displayed on your customer's phone. So they'll be clicking on this and viewing this information on their phone. So it's important to keep it simple. And once you're done, just simply click save. And you have now just created your loyalty program. So what you want to do is advertise to your customers to text the word enroll to your dedicated number. And if you're not sure where to find your dedicated number, you can always go to the home page and find it at the bottom of the menu on the left-hand side. So this one is our internal dedicated number, so this would not be yours, but in your account you will find yours here. And that's it. That's all there is to it. So thanks so much for watching this tutorial, and don't forget to like this video. We do have a lot of other videos to learn and help you get started, so make sure to check those out as well. And if you need help, I'm here. Just text me at 916-414-9825, and I'll get back to you during business hours. Have a great day.